we'll see if we can get Alex in here real quick, just test it out, or anybody.
Test. I kind of have a little bit of echo. It's not bad. Yeah.
Okay, much better. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Alex. For anybody who's watching this, you have Alex to thank for my audio not being screwed up, because I would have just kept going. Oh, now you can't hear me. Wait, how is that possible?
Nah, he's joking.
All right. Are you serious?
Yes.
I don't know if he's messing with me or not. Oh. Wait, I clicked mute? Who clicked mute?
No, he did.
Okay, alright. Alright, now you got me all messed up. Alright, we're good. They should not have. What's crazy about this is that we are all technology experts. Everybody on here knows so much about the deep, intricate parts of how this technology works, and high-level stuff, can't do it. Thank you, Alex. Oh my gosh. All right, Luis, you ready to do this for real? Are you still there? I don't know if you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you. Let's do it.
Okay, cool. What am I missing up here? All right, cool. Hopefully we didn't lose the lab. I know they only last for 15 minutes. But all right, let me go ahead and get this added into our scope. And then we'll take a look. Okay, so this is a business logic one. We got to purchase the lightweight jacket right there.
You're not sharing your screen, by the way.
Oh yeah, that's a good point, isn't it? Thank you. That's why I have other people here. Perfect. Go ahead and get that added in the scope. All right, so yeah, there's our objective. Just purchase a lightweight leather jacket. So that one right here. Definitely going to be some business logic.
Yep.
This is a practitioner level. Shouldn't be anything too crazy. I don't know how much we need burp. Okay, so step one, we'll go ahead and just click through. I think I'll start over here. Let's move to the proxy and just watch everything that's coming through as well. Set the number that's coming through. Looks like that uses a post request there. Not JSON, it's just using XML form 302 redirects. We get parameter there. Okay, about that. All right, we've got it added to our cart. I'm guessing we need to sign in before we do anything. Let's just go ahead and get each one of these. Remove it. Let's make sure we have to be logged in to buy it.
That's the objective?
To purchase this jacket. So I'm guessing when we log in, it's going to tell us we don't have a lot of money. I want to see what, there you go. This is what I wanted to see, is if we get any type of an error when we try to log in. Something like that would maybe make me think cross-site scripting, but I don't think in this context.
No, it's not at all.
Yeah, I don't think so. All right, let's go ahead and get logged in. I assume we have...
I'm sure it's something with the amount of money you have, like negative numbers, positive numbers, just like that. Stuff like
Oh, yeah. Oh, well, we got a gift card.
Oh, okay.
I feel like that wouldn't be there for nothing. But who knows?
I did.
Oh, we've got an exploit server. Oh, so maybe this is a cross-site scripting. We've got an exploit server. We can do.
Yeah, to exfiltrate gift cards.
Yeah. I mean that's pretty out of the ordinary. We'll see if it's reflected anywhere. I don't know how. I'm trying to think of how that might work through cross-site scripting to get this, unless we like.
If you share that link, can I access it?
Yeah, sure. Oh, I think it's gonna make you log into
Yeah,
mine.
I'm looking. I'm looking. Sorry.
Oh, let's see. Go ahead and open our exploit server over here as well. I don't know why I keep thinking my coffee's behind me.
Oh yeah, I can access it.
Yeah, I think it's tied to the user. That'd be a good feature request for them though.
No, actually, I'm actually seeing the lab right now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh, very cool. Okay, so you can already do that.
Mm-hmm.
This seems to really stand out to me. Was that?
What's the account?
What do you mean to log in? Wiener Peter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the same one that that they always use.
Okay.
Yeah. This seems notable to me, right? Why would the email be coming from the exploit server?
Yeah. So okay, I know what's going on. So the exploit server is going to. Okay, so we got a script in the exploit server that sends a request to my account, right? I get request, and then like that we get gift cards, maybe.
I'm thinking that gift card is going to be an attack vector. Yeah, Alex says it's provided in the lab, so it's probably email or something. Yeah, I agree, Alex. I think that's right. I'm thinking, okay, so if we're going to be if the request is coming from the exploit server, then we would need to there would need to be some type of cores misconfiguration, right? Because this is a completely different top level domain. So either remember, this is just like one we were doing on Wednesday. So either there's a cores misconfiguration, we're exploiting that, so we have to include an origin header in the attack that's being hosted in our exploit server, or we have to get a cross-site scripting and the exploit server does a window.location redirect on the client side to the page, cross-site scripting, fetch, maybe that gives us a gift card, right? Maybe the admin can add any gift cards they want or something. That make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, just making sure I'm not, make sure it makes sense.
I actually, I accessed that lab without an account, like without being logged in Portswhitter, and I was able to access it.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, that's interesting, yeah.
Well, there you go. Then anybody watching can come on and try and do it too. That might be fun.
All right. Do we share it?
I don't know. I mean, if anybody really wants to, they want to type that MD5 in the top. I think it's an MD5. Maybe that's a SHA one. I don't know. All right, I'm doing a couple active scans on a few of these in the cart. That seems like the most likely place.
Let's see. Actively scan this host. Wait. You do active scan, right? Why is it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, this right here. This is a much more targeted scan. This is the way to go. This is that's how they're. Yeah, I know you know more, but for anybody who's watching, that's the direction that Portswhitter is going. At least for most scans, is a great way to test. Let's get this one as well. So yeah, I'm going through each one. I'm adding those to the active scan, and then it's just queuing those up here.
If I add a script here, what happens? See, like.
I'm gonna play with this one here. This is too out of the ordinary for me. It's not reflecting. My dog is scratching himself and making all kinds of crazy noises. Hopefully the microphone's picking that up because it makes me laugh. All right, you are going to go to the comparer, and then we're going to send, I don't know, let's just see how it handles this. This one right here. So with not logged in is 3,830 bytes. With logged in is 3,819. So we do have a small change there. Actually an increase, which is weird. I expected it to be a decrease. Let's go to the comparer and compare these two. Oh, bless you, buddy. Let's go bytes. Main change is in the session cookie there. Interesting. Okay. So we have...
Oh, no error.
Yeah, there's like an unknown error. So I assume there's an enum probably on the back end. So the... don't you think? I'm just trying to think, how do we exploit this? I wonder if there's a JavaScript on the client side. Maybe it's a DOM-based cross-site script.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe there's something that says if the value is this, do this. Otherwise, just do unknown error. Let's take a look at what scripts they have there. I think these are just the ones in the header. I don't see any other client-side scripts really attached. Resources. Yeah, there's no, I mean, there's the JavaScript for the lab header, but that's not what we're looking for. There's nothing else in here. So it's not going to be a DOM-based cross-site scripting. There's not even a client-side script running. Interesting. I don't know. I mean, you got to think the exploit server, we're supposed to use it, but it also could be a red herring. Or maybe instead of a cross-site scripting, it's a CSRF. We've got several. We've got a CSRF on the coupon, CSRF on the checkout. Maybe CSRF weakness on the coupon.
Oh yeah.
And then we can
because
do.
It sends that to the backend, right?
Yeah. So maybe if we can do a CSRF. I don't know if the admin would have. Is it admin functionality you're trying to get them to do it? You got to think no. You got to think you're trying to get the request to go here. Wait, where's the gift card? I'm looking at the freaking cart. Where the hell's the gift card thing? See, I feel like this gift card would need to be of value.
Yeah. Like.
Well, still, I'm gonna test some CSRF here. Anyway, let's just see if there's any vulnerabilities in the token itself. So let's try sending it. Actually, let's just do no CSRF token at all first. Okay, so it needs to have the parameter. That's good. I can't do that apparently, so let's do this. All right, let's see what happens if it's not long enough, just doesn't match. Okay, now it says invalid. Let's see if it's hard coded. Logged out and logged back in, so you would expect to see a different CSRF token here. Nah, doesn't matter. Yeah, it looks like it's different. Yeah, definitely different. So the CSRF token on that gift card looks like it's implemented properly. Okay, here's a CSRF, so we're on the right track.
Wait, what?
Here's the CSRF. At least the scanner picked it up. I gotta validate it, but yeah, at least it's.
So how do you find that one? I don't see it.
Active scan on the cart, submitting the cart.
Yeah, I mean, I was right there.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's just popping up. And it hasn't been confirmed, so let me see exactly what they're claiming. So request one, I guess it's highlighting the refer header. We're getting a 302 there. All right, so okay, apparently it does not care about the refer header. So are we trying to get the admin to buy the jacket? We're supposed to buy the jacket. Is there any hidden parameters?
Yeah.
Like this is. Mm-hmm.
Infinite money. The hell?
What did you
I think
say?
I think it's an infinite. If you click on view lab description in the objective, if you click reveal objective.
Oh, weird. They don't normally show that. Normally you're not supposed to see it. Okay, so this must be a weird one for them to show it. Okay. Well, if we're allowed to see it, let's go see it. Okay. I don't know. Again, maybe these, like, maybe they're throwing the exploit servers in when you don't need them and everything.
Yeah, it's like for a rabbit hole type of thing.
I don't know. They don't normally do rabbit holes. That's what's throwing me off. At least from what I know. Maybe I'm wrong though.
That's weird.
I'll tell you what. If you want, why don't you keep pulling that thread? See, because you were talking about earlier about the infinite money thing where you go to negative numbers and everything, right? Or you know how to do that one. All right. See.
Yeah. I'm testing right now.
All right. Thank you. Yeah. If you want to pull that thread a little bit, and I'm going to keep working on this. I mean, the CSRF. Why would the admin have to be involved? I feel like I'm way overcomplicating this. Let's just try a bit of manual testing.
Wait, what?
What's up? What you got?
I think I bugged it out. I sent a negative number -1, and now I have all the total. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just sent that too, right here. You talking about quantity, -1?
Yes. Yeah.
Mm.
And the total is it's huge.
Oh wait, we've got a redirect here. I wonder if we can control that.
Yeah.
Again, though, I don't know why we would need to. I'm just thinking it's, infinite money. It's typically talking about something like this. All right. Refresh here. What do I have in my cart? All right, this is
Go
redirecting.
to the cart. If you go to the cart and you try to remove it, it doesn't remove. Just throws another random number.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's just see what happens. So when you did a -1 quantity on here, what happened?
I'm not sure if something happened. What I know is if you go to cart, you add, oh wow, add any number, add any value.
Yeah, there was nothing.
Sorry, add any item. Or at least the item they asked for.
That should give me one
Yeah.
there.
Rather than
And then you said by
try
doing.
removing it. No, yeah, like, yeah, clicking there, like remove. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Okay, I did something then.
Oh yeah.
Set a -1.
This is
Because now every time I try to remove it, it gives me another random number.
really.
Yep.
You want to send a screenshot in Discord?
Yeah.
So what am I looking at here? What are you seeing?
I clicked on remove, and it just from 9 it jumped to 360.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, let
If
me
I
get
click
it.
again, now it is 69. Whoa, that's a weird number. Now.
Why is that a weird
it's
number?
empty.
Why is that a weird number, Louis? What do you mean? I don't understand what you're saying.
I don't know. It's like most people die at that age. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. All right, so
Oh, now it's empty. What the hell?
I'm not seeing it. That's weird though.
Do it again.
What is the request that goes through when you do that? Just does a post request with
Yeah, it's
the
empty.
number that's in there.
Oh, if you send a negative number, I don't know. It goes weird. Now I have 41 items, and I just want it. I added -1, no minus, not like 41 or anything else.
I'm not seeing any of that on mine.
Yeah, you have to go to the home page. Yep,
And you're going
there. Yep, you just add. That's a request right there when you click.
Are you just
What?
making it negative in here
Yeah.
or in Burp?
No, actually, invert.
Okay. I'm kind of curious to see if there's any client-side validation here. I feel like that would give me a little hint too. Yep, there is. Oh, no more than 99 as well. See, this is what just makes me think that like,
No more than 99.
yeah, it says no more than 99, so, but it's a client-side validation, so maybe yours is going all crazy because you've got a much higher number than that. Let me just try, you had like 360 when I saw, right?
Yeah.
Let's just do
Yeah.
350, see what happens. No, it doesn't like it. It's kicking it back.
Whoa. Okay. Try what? Try a negative number. Yeah, and then go to the card. Wait, what?
It kind of still says it's empty.
It's empty now for me too.
Hmm.
What the hell? What? Let me do it again.
Yeah, I mean, that's got client and server-side validation on that value.
Yeah.
Typically what I see, like the exploit that you were talking about, you know, you got to be able to send large numbers. You wouldn't see that validation on the server side. You just see it on the client side. So, I think we've got to use the exploit server. We've got to use this CSRF somehow. And there's only one thing that came back in the scan. I can try and hit a couple more of these to make sure. But and you know what? Okay, so I'll tell you what. We've got this one request. Let's move over and just work in Burp for a little bit. All right, this is the one that's hitting it. I'm going to scan this with param monitor as well. Let's see if we can find enter. Oh, there's a fifth one now. Ooh, okay. I guess that's
So what?
there's a fifth pop-up box that comes up from param monitor. You know, typically it was 4, but I just updated to the 12.6. I guess that has something else in it. Yeah, so that's the only thing that's come back from anything. So this has got to be our target somehow. If this is a CSRF vuln, again, is the referrer, I guess their assertion is that the referrer should be validated, and the fact that it's not, there's no reason that this can't come from the exploit server. So let's grab the exploit server thing here. In which case, we should be able to target this. So yeah, and we don't see any issue there. Should have things in my cart. No? Oh, because it's still a negative one. Here. Okay, so let's make sure I can add things to my cart. That does seem to work. Or maybe not. Huh. Let's try another one. The request is going through okay, but I don't see anything that's actually being added. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. All right, so the refer has the product number in there. I don't know if that means anything. Let's see how it takes that. Okay, no, that's fine. You can add items to the cart.
Mm.
All right, you can add items to the cart with any referrer header on there. So, that comes from a post request as well. I still don't understand where the infinite money is coming from though. So we can theoretically have an admin. Oh, there's a hidden header. Let's see what that is. The origin there. Oh, it's just a duplicate header. That's not gonna have anything to do with it. What could we get this admin to do? If there's not a hidden parameter, like we've got a redirect.
Yeah.
So you got to think that that's controlling something. So what are our other options here? We've got, is this an enum that, kind of like this, that controls where it's going, or can we put, now if we could put collaborator in there, the scan would have already picked it up, so it's not going to be that. I don't know, did I do an active scan on this one? I don't remember if I actually included this one in the scan. I guess we haven't checked for HTTP request smuggling either.
Oh yeah.
That fifth box is going to throw me off. Let me just make sure there's nothing silly too, like I can just chase or can place this with administrator. I don't think I was speaking correctly there, if that's okay. And this should be, yeah, we're back over here to login. But I still have I can still see that I have $100. I don't think that's right. Is that supposed to be there?
What? I don't think so.
Huh. So if you change the ID, it redirects you to the login page here, but you're still logged in. That seems notable. Got another secret input, although this could be just another origin header. It is.
Secret input header was
It's just saying, because there's already an origin header, which again, so this could be a CORS misconfiguration. Very, very weird. All right, we'll tell you what, I'm going to take a 5-minute break here and then come back and see if we can figure out what's going on and figure out what in the world this admin is doing. Yeah, I'll be back soon. All right, took a little break there. I don't really know where to go with this one, so yeah, I think we're missing something. I think we need to go back to enumeration.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing the piece of the puzzle come here. I don't know if we're missing an endpoint or something, but there's something going on. There's something we're missing. So let's try that. This is still weird. It's still weird that you can go and do that, but I think that's just kind of a quirk. We're missing something here. Let me just crawl this. Just do a basic crawl. Come up here, select this. Never stop due to application errors, and we'll just do the fastest for right now, some basic stuff, because again, I just feel like I'm missing something here. Let's go let Burp do the work for us. I'm also going to do some client-side work while that's running. So let me come over here to the proxy. I'm going to open one of the browsers. And I don't know, I mean, maybe we've ended up getting like a prototype pollution or something that's out of scope for the test, but, you know, is not out of scope for this.
Let's check.
Yeah, let me open this up. Okay, DOM invader is on. Prototype pollution is good. Oh, okay, yeah, you're not gonna let me do that, are you? All right. Let's see if this comes up with anything. Nothing immediately in DOM invader. I mean, there was no client-side JavaScript, at least on the main page. So I don't know what we're gonna find here, if anything, but maybe there's something on the cart or the checkout that we've missed. Console's got a whole lot of nothing. No, there's still no client-side JavaScript. There's nothing on here that we could exploit with this. I mean, it's got to be a logic flaw. I don't see how that exploit server comes into play.
Yeah, me either. You just leave it there, so you can do whatever you want, I guess.
Yeah. Oh gosh, this is. Haven't done that. The hell is that?
What?
The hell is this?
What the fuck?
When did this get down here? Is that this?
Oh my god. A newsletter, right?
Yeah, I mean, who knows? Maybe that doesn't have anything to do with it, but I definitely didn't see it before. Is that what this is? I think that's what that is, right?
Whoa. Use coupon sign up 30. Interesting.
Oh, you got something?
Yeah, if you add email there.
Oh, my session does not contain a CSRF token, apparently.
Okay.
That's weird. All right, hold on. Let me log out and log back in, because clearly I've jacked something up. Or I'm just not logged in.
Sign up 30, well, sign up 31. What happened? Look at that.
Ah.
Oh, so we can get infinite coupons.
Okay.
I see what's going on.
Okay. All right. I was going to say, I knew we had to be missing something. I'm like, it doesn't make any sense.
Sign up returns. Oh, the sign up returns an alert, right?
Oh, was it an alert? I think it was. Now that you mentioned it, I didn't think about that. Oh, it's gone.
Yeah, it's an alert. Oh, but it has that location confirmed true in the so what if you do that, if you copy that and do like sign up and then another request confirmed true.
Oh, it's coming up on every one. So is that somehow involved in the cross-site scripting? And maybe you do have to get a cross-site scripting that way?
Maybe.
Because this seems persistent. Look, it's popping up here every time. All right, well, I'll tell you what, we got the coupon code. Let me just drop it in decoder so I have it somewhere I don't lose it. Because I will definitely forget something that simple.
Oh, yeah, we can.
You can do what?
What? Oh, you tell me it's, well, if we log in and log out, it's a different coupon?
I don't know if it's a different coupon. It should be a different CSRF token. I don't have any idea, though. All right, so that drops it down $401, so it gets us under 1,000. That seems notable, or under 1,000. Yeah, that seems notable, right?
Yeah. Oh, actually, if you go to the homepage and then you inspect the HTML, I think the coupon is there. It's hidden inside another.
Oh yeah, it's just an attribute hidden. But what's causing the? Oh, I was getting an alert every time I came here. Maybe I'm not anymore. Well, then, is there something in this?
Oh, I know how.
What's up?
Send this request.
Sign up.
Instead of sign up, just do sign up dash shop confirm true.
Oh, I see that's the redirect
Yeah,
after you sign up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So apparently that brings back a coupon. So if I send it again, same coupon.
So, are you saying that we do a GET request with that?
Yes.
Just to where? To the main page?
Yes.
Okay, so that gets us that. Oh, and that's why it was popping up every time.
Yeah.
That's why it's popping up every time. That makes sense. I'm guessing it's just an inline script here? Yeah.
Yeah, the coupon also doesn't change. I tried changing the email as well, the sign up email.
It doesn't change it? Have you tried hitting it with like
No.
param miner?
Should let me do that, yeah.
I'll do
Extensions.
I'm just going to go after get parameters though. Oh wait, not get parameters here. That's make get parameters on the main page we're at. Param monitor. I'll just do guess everything on this one. And then this.
Guess everything. Let's see. What?
There we go. Go ahead and get that one running. Oops. So we've still got this CSRF.
What if it is a SQL injection? And the sign up confirm.
You think?
They find a way maybe to have one morning, Tuesday or something.
Well, if it's a SQL injection, the scanner should pick it up. It's going to take a little bit to get there, but we can test it. But I'm so certain this is some type of logic flaw.
Yeah.
I think the exploit server is a red herring. I'm not seeing any way to tie that back to what we need to do. I think it's this coupon, something to do with the coupon code, maybe race conditions, like we send it through Turbo Intruder.
Yeah.
Something like that. All right, let's think about the overall picture here. So when we enter that coupon code in, where did that go? What is this? Why is there a get gift card that hasn't been sent yet? Is that a valid endpoint? Oh, hold up. Look at this.
What's that?
There's a gift card endpoint here.
Oh,
And
okay.
we're unauthorized to get it. So seems like the admin would take that. assuming the admin is the one who's going to get the exploit server when we deliver it to them. You know, if we can do a script on here, and maybe I'm trying to think this through here. This get gift card is unauthorized. I'm assuming that means that something else can get it. Maybe I'm not sending it with a session token though. Maybe let me try that first. Maybe it's not that I'm unauthorized. Maybe I just need to come here. Let's just do a simple get request. I'm still logged in, right? Yeah, I'm still logged in. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna grab this first of all. Let's send this here. And where was it? So it's just /gift card. So this is sending it without a cookie. If I send it without a cookie at all, I get an unauthorized. I'm assuming with my session token, I'll get unauthorized as well, but maybe I won't. Unsupported method. Do we have a post request already to this gift card? Is that the post request when we
I'm looking for you.
when we submit it? Yeah, that's what it is. It's our post request to the gift card here. I don't know why that's not showing up in my sitemap though. I think it should be. Unless, what's the response code here? Oh, it's a 400. That's why it's not showing up in here.
Okay.
But it's not saying unsupported method. I don't know. This exploit server's driving me crazy. What happens when we sign up to do this newsletter down there? It says put that in at checkout, right? Yeah, it says put it in at checkout. This is not a gift card.
Yeah.
So I can't come in here. I can't put that in here, I think, right? No. Can I, in the cart, can I just do multiple? What if it's this simple?
Yeah, I tried that already.
Okay, it didn't work. Do we try like
Valid coupon.
mutations?
Oh yeah, it's space. Oh yeah.
No. Or,
I think you're adding a space. That's why it's saying valid.
all right, stay with me here.
Uh-huh.
What if sending that message to sign up for the newsletter, so this one right here, sending that post request on the back end sets a flag that's tied to that user that says that you have one coupon available. So maybe I can go back, sign up again, come back, do the coupon back and forth, and then maybe I can do that.
Like, okay, yeah, that's what I mean.
You know, so I've already got one here. It says invalid coupon. If I try and do this again, now that easily could be just something on the server side that says if they've already used one, return. It's just like a catch-all response that's coming back, you know. But
Actually, try
let's
it.
see. Yeah, let's come over here. Okay, so I've got this again. So let's send this. I've got my sign up 30 again. What happens now?
Let's see.
Okay, but that is happening. Look, that's a different response.
It is I think it was a different response. Oh yeah, actually you're right.
Or did I do 40 on that one? Was I doing 40 on that
No,
one?
I think it's because the other one you had a space in there.
Very possible.
The beginning of this one, yeah.
Very possible. But there's still more to that logic. So we send the post request, Well, now I loaded the page, right? Because we have to reload the sign up equals confirmed true. Maybe this will make a difference here. No, yeah, it's still saying already applied. I'm just going to run a quick check with Intruder just to try like different numbers and stuff. It's going to be our only payload there. Come down and set it to numbers. We're going to go from 1 to, let's just say 99. 1. And we're going to run for a minute. I should have done this following a redirect. Let's do that. Where's that option again? There we go. Always. Well, let's do no, that's okay. Shouldn't be anything on there. Okay, this looks better. We got some change here. There's definitely some difference between them. Send a couple of these to the comparer there. This can go on through till. Yep, differences in the content length. We got a whole block in here. Oh, which is just saying invalid coupon. All right, so this length here is saying invalid coupon. Why is the other one not? It's really weird. So these 7543 say invalid coupon. This one does not. So this request that says sign up 91. It's not saying anything about, that's weird. It's kind of weird, man. Are you seeing that? Are you still here with me?
Yeah, that's oh, I almost muted.
That's some of these coupons work. Like some of the numbers are, I mean, I don't know if they work, but it's not saying it's invalid.
Some numbers?
Yeah, so like coupon 91. Here, let's refresh this. So like sign up 91, I'm not seeing anything about Now it's saying invalid coupon. It wasn't saying it in the attack. It's kind of weird. Again, maybe there's some logic here. Maybe we just need to run it very, very quickly. Give that a shot. Alright. What happens if I place the order till? It still says not enough credit. Over here to the proxy. I assume nothing's stored in the session. No, didn't think so. Let me do this. Let me remove. I wonder if there's any way to undo the coupon there. And then I'm gonna try race conditions. That's the only thing that I can think of. So let's get another card added there. All right. And then we've got our sign up 30 coupon code. We intercept this, send it to Intruder, and I'll just give it a could do this with Turbo Intruder, it'd be a lot better, but I'm just going to try and throw a bunch of concurrent requests at it, see what happens. So we need to clear these. That should all be fine. I assume the CSRF shouldn't change until after I log out and log back in. We can go to a null payload and we'll just send 50 of them all at the exact same time. Let's see what happens. And I can drop that. And let's go back to it.
Your account, that is an email, right?
I only did one. What's that?
When you click on your account,
Mm-hmm.
it is an email what you have, right?
Mm-hmm.
In there. So if we add that in the sign up, do we get an email back or something?
I mean, there's no email functionality, I don't think.
Yeah, the sign up.
No, it just gives us the same one. We're close. We're on the right track. It's definitely something to do with this this coupon code. Race conditions didn't seem to make any difference. I sent 50 requests at the exact same time and it came back 401. We still have the exploit server to work with. Maybe the admin gets a different coupon code.
You have the same coupon that I got, so I think it's the same.
Maybe it's based on session though.
Oh, maybe.
But that wouldn't make any sense. Like what? That'd be like a really capture the flag thing to do. That wouldn't. And Burp Portswigger doesn't usually do that. That's not like a real thing that someone would do. We're really close here. Here, I'll move this off for a minute. Let's just think about this. Let's talk this through.
One thing, also if you notice, if you increase the amount of the quantity of the items, the sign up, the coupon increases.
Really?
Yeah.
Does it increase and decrease as you go up and down?
Yeah, I think it decreases. Like, it gives you a negative number if you do that, yeah.
Okay. That's interesting. when we hit place order, we just have to do everything real quick. Maybe the server's just not, maybe like it just can't keep up. The back end can't keep up. By the way, we haven't even tested for HTTP request smuggling yet. All right, I gotta test that first because we're going in blind here. I don't know why. I don't think I did this, right? Let's give that a second. Let us send a couple probes, try to desynchronize it. This seems like I said, we'll let that go. I'll come over here and make this big. And we'll drink a little coffee and we'll think about this. So we've got a coupon code that dynamically generates the reduction in price.
Yes.
Everything is handled on the server side, right?
Yep.
Because we know when we submit that post request that when we hit place order, all it does is send a CSRF token.
Yes.
So everything is happening on the server side. So like I said, I think we just got to be real quick. What if we can, I know you can do this in Burp, which I should probably do that instead of writing a Python script, which is what I normally do. But what if we just got to hammer it real quick? So we got to go add it to the cart with like 3, add the coupon, drop it down to 1, and then place an order, all with like 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe something just desynchronizes.
Okay.
Does that seem crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It might be. It might be. I don't know. I'll tell you what. I want to get
getting it fast.
I mean, everything's happening on the server side, so that's the only thing that I can think of. Maybe there's something. It takes longer. The functions literally take longer, and it's still a race conditions thing, but it's instead of race conditions, the simple way to test it, where you're just sending multiple requests at the same time, the server processes it before the logic can go through. It's different endpoints. That's the only thing that I can think of that makes any sense.
I think we haven't tested properly the gift card endpoint yet.
Yeah, which one is? That's a good point. Yeah,
Yeah.
It's weird to leave this much on the table. It's weird to have, like, there's an exploit server I'm not talking about solving. There's a whole gift card mechanism I'm not talking about solving. So, are they putting rabbit holes into some of these now?
Probably. Oh, no, because this is only 4 hours.
Yeah, but remember, this is just a lab. So I don't know how much. This lab was made probably well before they even had planned on making the test. Although maybe it's not. Maybe it's a newer one. I don't know. I want to go get one more cup of coffee for the day and just think for a minute, and then I'll come back and I don't know. Maybe we'll go back and do. Maybe we're missing another input vector somewhere that we just don't know where it is.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, I'll be back soon. come back here for a minute. Got more coffee, even though it's 7:47 in the evening. So we'll see if I sleep tonight. But
Yeah, I don't know you would.
no, but solving the lab is more important, Luis. Okay, we need to focus on what's important here. Okay, we're stuck.
Yeah.
We need to go back to enumeration again. We're missing something. Okay, so there's two things we're leaving on the table. One is the exploit server, getting the admin and everything. That's a whole mechanism. I don't see the connection here, so I want to leave that for absolute last. The other thing that you said is that you said you want to test the coupon code thing more, right?
Yeah.
I think you're right. I think that...
I think we're sharing sessions, right?
Was that?
Are we sharing the same session? The same session?
Possibly. That could be why you were seeing some weird stuff. Although I never saw the same thing you are, so no, I don't know how we would. I don't know.
To log in with my own one, just in case.
That's probably a good idea, just in case we're throwing each other off.
We know what that app is, right?
Yeah. I want to go back to enumeration, though. I want to go to the home page and just look at every single thing, click on every single product. There's still something we're missing here.
Yeah.
And it's, you hear me say this all the time. Like, anytime you're stuck, we've been stuck long enough, took a little break, walked away, now go back to enumeration.
Yes. Yeah, let's do enumeration again.
Yeah. All right, so let's go back. Where's the home page? Make this big. All right, so we've got our jacket, right? And let's come and click on... Why is that called gift card? Am I crazy?
You're not showing your screen.
Oh, shit. Hold on. Look at the name of the second thing.
What thing?
What's called gift card? Are they just messing with us?
Oh my god. Oh.
No. That's not a thing. Hold on. Okay. Are any other ones? Do they have weird names? Waterproof 2 bags, caution sign, burp. Okay, maybe so. Burp protection.
Yes. They named it gift card.
I think they're just messing with it. But is that a clue?
Yeah.
Is that a clue?
Might be.
Let's read through. That seems like a clue. We can't stress this enough. The gift card is the best gift you'll ever receive. Not only do you get to completely disassociate yourself with the gift-giving process, you can remain as aloof and as impersonal. That's funny. That's actually as everybody always assumed you were. Yeah. It also comes with the added bonus of demonstrating your control and dominance over the people around you. Okay. I don't know if this is. This just seems like somebody at Portswicker having fun.
Yeah.
Predefine the spending limit. I mean, they're describing a gift card. Ensure you select from a wide range of available outlets for purchase. I think it's just telling us to check that, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's a clue. That's saying you gotta, but this doesn't work, right? That's not a valid gift card. That's the only.
Try that.
It's the only code.
Try that right now. Nope. Just about it.
Shit. Let me just add. Hold on. Let me just add one to the cart. Let's see what happens. Let me drop this down to 1. I mean, maybe if I come in here, I don't know. Actually, let me grab it. I gotta grab it in Burp too, because you didn't help me. Maybe there's something special in here. This is starting to feel real capture the flag, which they don't normally do.
Yeah.
I mean, this is just a normal thing. Redirect to product. All right, we got. Oh, I mean, I guess they're just messing with us. All right, let's go back to the coupon code thing. I don't know, SQL injection in the coupon code? Haven't we scanned that? CSRF gift card value here, or gift card number. Do an active scan on that. I think I've already done that though. Oh, we'll do a little bit of manual testing for SQL injection. I mean, at least that's not going to hurt. Come on. So that gives us a 400. Try a single quote. No difference. Double quote. No. Do a more aggressive scan against that. Let's let that run for a minute there. I mean, command injection, but the scanner's checking for all those. Let me just let the scanner run for a minute on that one. That gift card thing has to be a clue. It has to be.
Yeah.
Like that's too. It's like the number 2 thing. It's like right in your face. I can't believe I didn't notice that until before. Is there nothing in this like description? This thing. The heady element of control. Giving someone a gift card. They keep talking about giving someone a gift card. So is that?
Yeah.
You know, are we? I don't see any mechanism to give it to somebody. Otherwise, I think that we could get the admin to go and do it through a CSRF.
Yeah. I don't see that either.
Denounce obligation to spend funds. The feeling is priceless. This is so on the nose. It's so on the nose. Let me look up some documentation real quick. Where is, there you are, book. Next. There you go. I'm just trying to run through some different things on here and think of something that might be missing. Nothing's really coming up.
Even hard tricks.
Yeah.
You're serious.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of anything else I might be missing.
Yeah.
I've got that. I've got payloads, all the things. All right. When do we buy the gift card? We can buy the gift card, right? What if we buy the gift card? Do we get a gift card? What happens?
I don't know.
Let's try and buy a gift card. Does it come back up and show that we have a gift? I don't know. Something's going on with this, and my scanner's not catching anything. Let's get this out of here. Right, and we can add the coupon. Oh, hello. Media card. Thank you very much for following. I appreciate that. Very cool.
Each card $10.
Well, okay, so wait. All right, hold up. Let me
But
just.
if you notice, gift card is a link.
Yeah, hold up. What is this code? Is this a gift card code? Did we just buy a $10 gift card for $7? Am I gonna have to sit here and run this through? Am I about to get money? All right, I got a code here. So I got $93. Go to my account.
Come on. What do you do?
I don't know. We're about to find out. That's it.
Yeah, that's gonna work.
So we just got to sit here and run through it. That's it. That's your infinite money right there. Man, all that stuff was no, the gift card wasn't a rabbit hole, right?
How do you do it? That's the thing.
You got to just keep doing it. I bet. Okay, all right. So for sure I could run this in Python, because you're gonna have to make all the requests a bunch of times.
Someone tried just see someone actually showing a process. Hey, thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. Just trying to kind of share the methodology and everything. Yeah, I'm glad. Thank you for joining me. I'm trying to get these streams going every Tuesday and Thursday. Just with the goal of, ultimately this is a bug bounty channel. So for obviously sharing knowledge about how everything we do in here, you could take and go do bug bounties and make cash on the side. So try to change it up. Probably we'll wrap this lab up and then we'll go and do some actual bug bounties after that.
Hey, I add gift card. Wait, did you add the gift card? Because
yeah, you buy the gift card that looks not like a gift card.
makes no sense.
Yeah. But I mean, okay, it would make sense if this was a proper app, right? Because if this was an actual buy a gift card thing, if this doesn't have a picture of a magic card and look, I think we would have maybe gone in that direction.
Yeah. I see.
All right. So here's what I want to do.
That's that infinite money. Oh.
What do you mean? Because I just made $3. I got 103.
Yeah.
I started with 100. I got 103. So it's $3 every time. We gotta get up to $1,000. I'm not going to sit here and do that manually on stream because I'm pretty sure one of my 3 viewers would come and punch me in the face.
Do you want to call something?
No, I don't. Well, I do. Yes, the answer is I really want to code something. But since we're going after the Burp lab or the Burp cert, I feel like we should do this in Burp. Don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I've got to remember how to do that because it's been a while, but that's the point of this channel. We're all going to figure out things together.
Alright, so I got a $50. Oh, I got 5. So it's every $10 you got a gift card.
When you buy one for 10, then you put the coupon code in, and then that goes to that makes it go to 7, and then you buy it and cash it in, and then you get $3, right? So it's $3 at a time. Is that what you're seeing too?
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
There's something will happen because if you buy 5 and you have the first gift card that they gave to you, what the hell happened? It went negative. Like it took money from my store credit.
Oh, I don't know, but I see money going up. I'm gonna stick with what we got. I'm just gonna I want to automate it in Burp. Automate request sequence. I know there's a way to do it. I've got a kind of an idea. I think they're called macros. At least that's what we called them in Inside AppSec when I was in Rapid 7. Maybe sequence? This looks like a request smuggling thing.
You know what was the rabbit hole in our brain? That we thought that every item that was being sold was like something like a shirt or something. It's a clothes or something.
Yeah. I mean, I completely overlooked that. I really floundered the enumeration. Just jumped right in and started going after it and missed a ton of stuff.
But it's kind of hard to enumerate logic, right? something logical.
I guess it's not hard to enumerate a giant form at the bottom of the fucking page, though, and I damn sure missed that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't. Definitely need to slow down a little bit on that one. All right, I know recorded login sequences. I mean, I know you can do login sequences. Where do you do this? Let me just go down there. Isn't it in like? Well, we can do this sequencer. Is a sequencer how you want to do that? I thought there was another one. I thought we had like macros or something. Let me just look up Burp macros. That sounds like a thing. I think it's a thing. Google's telling me it's maybe a thing. Yeah. A macro in Burp Suite is a series of HTTP requests sent to the server prior to having been proxied by Burp. I mean, I don't care if they've been proxied or not. I don't understand why them passing through the proxy would have any effect on that. Here we go. All right, we can record a macro. This is what I want. That's in the proxy. That's what I thought. Isn't it somewhere in here in the options? It says click add. You see where this is? Oh, here we go. You can open up. Okay, so you can go to settings. Oh, this is new. Okay. Man, they've done so much on this tool in the past year. It's really been great. Okay, so there's theoretically a macro recorder. It says if I click on sessions and then macros should be in here. There we go, macros. Okay, and then hit add. Okay, all right, here we go. So we just go in and we select the ones that we want to add to it. Wow, I'm learning every day. This is the type of stuff we're going to need on the test, I guarantee you. This is because it's a Burp test. You know, I have to remind myself that it's not a black box web app pen testing test. It's a Burp Suite test. I bet you anything we're going to have to do a macro.
Oh, yeah, we need that, yeah.
I'm telling you, macros, collaborator, request splitting, turbo intruder, that's the type of stuff they're going to test us on. It's not whether or not you can find the vulnerabilities. That's why that's why I'm saying, like, you and me, like, if it was just a black box test, too easy, we'd go in and knock it out.
Yeah.
But that's why I keep saying, like, we still got to put a lot of work in to do this, because we got to get really, really good with Burp.
Yeah.
I don't think we'd have time to script this out either. You know?
No.
I mean, maybe, you know.
Yeah, it might take some time, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know how confident I am to
Selenium can be done, I guess.
Yeah, drive it that way. I don't think you even need Selenium, though. I don't think you need a headless browser. I think we can just do this with requests. But, okay, all right, so let's talk through what this request should be, or what this sequence of requests should be. And I'll come back over.
Let's create, well, you know the coupon is sign up 30, so you don't have to scrape that out of the main page.
Yeah, but again, maybe we don't. Because I had the wrong code in there the first time, and that's why it said invalid. I think you're right. I think I was incorrect about that. So we've got to add a gift card, and that one I've done here pretty soon. So post to cart, not that one. I can just change it if I need it, but I'd love to actually see it. Oh, here we go. Okay, that's right, because I removed the jacket first, so that's what we're looking at. So the first request should be to add a gift card to our cart. Does that seem correct to you?
Yeah.
Can I select multiple items when I'm doing this? Maybe I just do this. Okay, so here's number one, product number two, one quantity, click OK. don't know if you can.
Alright, so
Yeah, the add thing is gone, right? Yeah. Okay, so I tell you what. Let me just walk through. I'm just gonna get it.
you need the add thing, but to add it to the card.
Let me just try this. Hold on.
Yeah.
Remove that item there. Remove everything, and then.
So you need post card, then card post card group. Oh, okay, I guess. See.
All right. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move away from this first, and I'm gonna get in my proxy. I need to get better with this. There's got to be a way where you can just click the 4 separate ones and run it, but I'm just gonna walk through it right here. This, I don't think this has anything to do with it. Okay, so.
Can we execute a stupid request in sequence instead of doing a macro?
Yeah, potentially. You want to try it with the sequencer, and I'll try it with the macro. We'll see which one works, or if we can get them both to work.
Yeah. Macro's kind of annoying to it.
I mean, I'd certainly like to figure out how to do it with both. I don't know what the right answer is. I don't know if you can do it with both, but if you can, I'd like to get familiar with it.
So I think we need first the postcard, right? Let me actually.
What was that?
We need the postcard first.
Yeah, the post
the card.
request of the gift card.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll
share it on the.
I'm gonna try. Let's see if we can do 99. I'm gonna try this just to select it down. Is this just gonna give me 99 codes? I'm kind of realizing that.
What do you mean? Sign up 30?
Yeah, I mean, all right. So if I purchase this, so I'm buying 99 $10 gift cards for. Oh, I can't even buy that much. I can only buy.
You can't. It's one at a time.
Yeah, I'm just not gonna screw with that then.
But you can try buy like 50.
Well, not 50, because that's gonna be 500.
50, like 5.
Yeah, you can try and do a little bit more to speed up, but we're still gonna have to have it go through the same way. So I don't think there's any reason to do that. So, all right, I'm just gonna go through my macro. So, view details, add one to cart, go to cart, type in sign up 30, apply that. Oh, the code is different too as well. So we're gonna have to grab that as part of the macro.
Does that come in the request?
That's a good question. Still though, I mean it would have to. It would have to come in the response. This part right here, right? Yep.
No, that's shit. Okay.
And so so it's coming in the body of the response. So we'll have to grab that somehow. Yeah, I know. What's up?
We can grab shit. Can you Redux?
Yeah, I'm sure you can. I don't think we need to do that though. We can maybe just do an XPath.
Oh yeah, XPath, yeah. Selenium style, yeah. We can point to the table, each table numbers.
Yeah, is that the only table?
I hope so. I don't think so, because I see another one. Yeah.
There's 3.
But that's the only table. That's the only table that has an ID.
Yeah.
Class.
So that'll always be on table array or index 2 in the array.
Yeah.
And then.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and then we'll pull the TD anchor from there, table data. I want to do this in Python.
Yeah, it's easier.
I'm gonna do this in Python.
Yeah.
But hold on one second. Let me get this.
Use the what's the package name? Soup. Beautiful soup.
Beautiful soup. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, okay. So after we do this, I'm gonna do some research. I'll find out how to do it with Burp. Probably like record a video, post it to YouTube or something, just so people can see it. I don't remember exactly how to do this here. It's so much easier in Python. I just want to do that and get this done. Mostly because my scanner over here just found another really interesting Burp bounty target or bug bounty target with an expired cert. And the last time we saw that, we found a ton of stuff. So I kind of like to start poking at that a little bit. I cannot talk tonight. Just so everybody knows, I hear myself when I talk weird or when I fumble over a word. I just can't apparently not do it.
Oh, you know what you can do as well? You can send a request to the exploit server /email. Because the gift cards, you are receiving it in your email, if you check.
Is there an email server in the exploit server?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're not showing your screen, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I didn't even do anything there, but thank you.
Oh, okay.
I know I've done that before, so thank you. That time I actually knew. Okay. So they've got a little email client here. Yeah. Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
You can grab I think the first one on the top of the grid. I think it's a grid on the table. I don't know.
Yeah, we can grab this one too.
Table.
I'm fine with just doing the response here if it's beautiful soup, though. I think maybe we can do it both ways. This must be what the point of the exploit server was. They probably just packaged up one from another lab and did that. All right, let me move over to this, and I'm gonna get.
Do we develop an extension for that?
Are you asking me? Can we do that?
Should we?
Yeah, you could definitely do this with, I wouldn't develop an extension, I'd just do a JavaScript, like a Puppeteer or something. Or Selenium or whatever you want.
Or like something like modular that everybody can use instead of using macros.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I want to know how to do it in Burp. I feel like that's,
that's true.
I feel like I want to be able to show that and demonstrate it, so I need to learn that, but our money's definitely going up. Okay, let me get an environment set up here real quick. VS Code. Let me just do this. All right. Switching over to Python. You got to make sure that you keep doing things on this, otherwise, I mean, it shouldn't take me 15 minutes to script this out, but still. Okay, import requests from VS4, import Beautiful soup, I think.
They have to call that beautiful soup because that's so annoying when I'm trying to import beautiful soup. And it doesn't exist. I don't know what the fuck.
Yeah. Am I right on the case here though? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, it's VS4.
Sure would be nice if I could type. Okay. So our first request is going to be to get this one here. You come over there.
Need a postcard.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, how do we solve it then? Oh, we need to buy. Okay. So we keep adding money until we can buy the shirt. What's it?
Ooh, that's too small. What is that?
Yeah. So we need to keep adding money until we are able to buy the jacket.
Yeah.
Okay.
It should go pretty quick. So add card to cart. And response equals request dot post. We'll copy URL. Come over here. Oh, that's going to be super fun and nice for the viewer. All right, that's not terrible. And then add everything else there in a minute. Okay. Let's go ahead Wait, this is, I guess we just
It's
hard.
raining.
Yeah, I mean, just hard coded, I guess, should be fine.
Yeah.
Because I could also use a session object and actually log in, but we probably don't need to do that. I think this will work. Request might get angry for us doing that. We might need to get an actual session. I'm trying to remember. Or is there a cookies object that we can add to it? Let's see that. For anybody who didn't know, this is all that engineers do. We just Google search everything. We don't actually memorize stuff. Okay, so you can just do cookies, and then cookies equals cookies. That's good.
Okay.
And then we just do session over here. Get this there. That's good, right? Bravo Golf, lower, Tango Charlie, up, down, good. All right, we got our cookies. Let's go ahead and do this as well. So we can see everything going through Burp. The 80. Should be fine there. I don't think I'll need an HTTPS, right? Is this?
It is. But
Okay.
yeah, it is.
Should still be fine. I still shouldn't need it. Okay, and then our data. It's gonna be 2. Or does data need to be a string on here? It's been a while since I've worked with forms instead of JSON.
Oh, I think you also need the content type.
Yeah, I don't know. It may do that automatically if you put the data in there. I'm trying to remember. Okay. Yeah, seems like it'll take JSON.
Okay.
Seems like it's okay with that. We'll find out. I'll just get it to add it to the cart first, and then we'll do the rest of it. So the redirect here. Quantity is going to be 1. How in the world did that happen? All right, and then we'll be able to see it because it should go through the proxy. So I should be able to just do about, I call this what it's supposed to, huh? How's that sound? There we go. Oh, for God's sake. I'm on my desktop, doesn't have Python on it. All right. Let's get the Linux box out here. Python 3. Okay, that should hang. And it does. because the proxy is going to localhost. Yeah, that's not going to work. So this is actually going to go to my internal IP on 8080. And then I'm going to have to go back to Burp. And I'll have to set the proxy so it is listening on all interfaces, not just the local interface. Obviously, I'm behind a NAT, so not a lot of risk going on there. Okay, now I'll do this. This should hang. Come to our proxy, and we're not seeing it. Where's it coming to? It's my IP. That's right.
Yo, I actually have to go out to prep my dinner.
Oh yeah, of course, man. Yeah, appreciate you hanging out with me for a bit. I'm gonna get this one wrapped
Yeah.
up, and then I'm probably gonna call it a night too in a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a good night, man. Appreciate it.
Good.
Yeah, I think we'll just get this one sorted out, and then we'll call it a night. All right. Maybe I do need an HTTPS on here as well. That's probably the problem. What in the world did I end up in here? There we go. Still not catching it. Very weird. I don't think I need that thing there. Tell you what, let's do a little troubleshooting here. God, all these headless browsers are going to drive me crazy. Okay, here's what we need to do. I'm not going to be able to scan and do this at the same time. Oh, no, never mind. That's actually got a good finding on it. I'm not going to get rid of that one. We'll just let this finish real quick. In the meantime, I know there's a way to do this with Burp. It's going to drive me crazy. Oh, now we got an intercept coming from here. All right, let me just try and get this thing with that macro recorder again. All right, so we've got this here. All that headless browser is running. So I can go ahead and place my order. Let's do this manually one more time, then I'm going to come back and try and get it. Oh no, that's right, because we have to figure out how to grab that on there too. Maybe we do. I wonder if I can send the gift card multiple times? I don't know. Kind of waiting for this thing to finish here. Let's see if we can figure out how to do this macro. All right, you copy. And we're only back to 106 as well. And this headless browser needs to hurry up and finish so I can get back to using that script. Okay, so let's see if we can record this here. Add that to cart. Step 1, go to cart, place the order. Step 3, grab the code. Well, it actually kind of looks like the last code too. I don't know, maybe I'm just imagining things. Add that, redeem. Oh, I'm not adding the coupon, that's why I'm not getting any more money. We'll say something's wrong here. All right, one more time. This will give us our macro. So we grab this, add one to the cart, come to the cart, hit sign up 30, that reduces it to $7, place the order. We now have a code, copy that, come down here, and we can redeem that. Perfect. Okay, now let's come over here to our settings. And I'm going to add a new macro. Now let's just get everything that I just did. So it should start with the post request here. It should accept everything. There's our macro. Now, there's got to be some type of extractor built into this to where I can grab that value and pull it back. I know for a fact this can be done in Python pretty easily. All right. Here's what we need to change. Let's see if we can do this here. Ah, all right, there we go, there we go, there we go. From response 13 and, oh, not 13, okay. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. This is actually pretty easy, if it's gonna work how I think it is. Okay, so 13's the academy. It's actually request 10 that I think we need to pull it out of. No? Or 11? Which one is the one that shows this thing? All right, apparently the X doesn't work on there. Why is this all... It shouldn't be showing that. Hold on. Let's find this one here. Yeah, this is it right here. So it should be request 10. I don't know why it's not showing it to me. This actually seems like it's the easier way to do it. All right, so this value right here in the request, this is what it has to be. Configure it. It's request 10. All right, it's got to be a regex group then. And then this is just showing the response to the initial thing. Okay, all right, so the parameter name. Okay, all right, I can do this, Let's get out of this here. We'll come back to it, get out of this as well. Go to where it actually is. And we just need a unique string. So let's do this. Let's grab the whole body. Just this here. Let's go to our regex filter. And we're going to replace this with that. I'm going to make sure this stays alive. Click home there. Okay, so should be able to do this as a start. I don't know if I want to do this with a regex or try and do a start and finish. Let's try and do a start and finish first. So start after expression here, and I don't know if the spacing is going to screw something up here, but we'll give it a shot. I'm still going to try and do that. Doesn't like the name. Card code there. Okay. Okay. Let's try and test the macro. See what happens. Oh, this is cool. I really haven't played with this that much. This is really slick. I'm definitely going to start using this a lot more. Okay, so just to see real quick, did my money go up? No, it went down. All right. Well, do I have a gift card though at least? Hold on, go to my account. I hope I do. Or where was it? Okay, let's see what happened. All right, so we made the post request to the cart. That's good. We definitely did that. We got a 200 here. Can I like just drop these? Okay. We're getting a 303 here. I don't know if we normally get that. But this is where we should see our gift card. Okay, so we have our code here. We got our code, so I don't think we lost any money. The problem is when we got here to number 13, or where was it? Number 14. Well, what was the thing? Is that not right? No, that's not right. That's the old one. Okay, so that's not working. That's not working. So I just need to get a regex that's going to get that. I think the white space there for the delimiters is not going to work. Yeah, that's fine. All right, let's do just a regex for this then. And that's going to be the way that we're going to go. All right, let's make this bigger, get a little cheat sheet. So yeah, we need uppercase and lowercase. One or more of the preceding token. I want to know the exact amount. Also, why we need numbers as well. Why are we only catching part of that? No, I guess it would be. I don't know why I wouldn't be picking those up. It's kind of weird. let's just do this. Let's do it this way. I want any lowercase letter. That'll give me those there. And let's just do exactly 3. That gets me in the beginning. All right. Now let's also add upper and 6. Not getting it there. That should match this. I don't understand why it's not. Let's see. How many characters long is that? I don't know what in the world is going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just a 10-digit character here. That should be fine. Oh, I'm blocking them out. I guess got to put them all in the same thing. That should be fine. All right, so I don't want it to be at the beginning of the line. Do that here. You can tell how often I work with regexes that I'm doing that. And then this should be 10, I think. Not right there. There we go. Okay. If I add, no, it should be 10. This is at least, right? And then if I do one extra character that is not matching. All right, so hopefully this won't catch anything else. Actually, you know what I can do? Here. We can set this as a match group here, I think, and then I should also be able to do closing bracket. What was the thing? Where was that response? Where's a macro? Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, so it's in response 10 over here. And we've got this right here. So let's see if we can get it to match that. We do this here. It is matching. Okay, cool. So I can do, doesn't seem to care about that. Very easy. 10 characters. Ah, that's what it's not going to like. Okay, so we can escape that. Should be fine there. This will screw up my regex. Okay, let's just cut these off. This should be fine right here. All right, number 14. Request, configure item again, drive from 10 and move this. And we're going to extract from the regex group right there. Well, yeah, it's got to be case sensitive. I still feel like this is probably going to match on something else. Let's see what happens. You know, I wish I could actually see the request and the response here. That would definitely make it easier. Okay, let's grab the whole. Yeah. Almost there. Almost done. Let's get out of here for now. Let's grab the entire request. See, there's so many things. Why is this? Oh, it's matching in between. So how do we get it to identify this in the requests and then still only pull that value out? The other ones have table data things too, right? Yeah, they do. So I can't just pull the table data out. Do you have things where you can manipulate it once it's done? Doesn't seem like it. Let me see. Let me see. Can't set it at the beginning or the end of the line. If I match the elements, somebody's probably sitting at home watching this screaming at me for how I can do it, but that's all right. I guess maybe use a non-capture group. Is that the use case for that? Kind of seems like that's what it would be, right? Now the C is still grabbing it. Damn, I was hoping that it wouldn't. Can you do like regex match don't include regex match but don't include? Yeah, I don't care if it's in Python, but there's got to be a syntax for that. I think this is like the forward lookup. I know I've done this before. Yeah, look around assertions. Because even with non-capturing groups, the whole regular expression captures their match contents. This regular expression matches only okay. It only matches apple or banana if it's preceded with a 1, 2, 3 and followed with a 4, 5, 6. Or it matches an empty string doing that. So we would need 1. We can't do an empty string. Although I don't know if we would run into that anyway. There shouldn't be an empty string in between 2 table data elements. But, man, I'm not going to sleep tonight. Okay, let's grab this syntax here. I don't think I need the additional or, but this makes sense. Here's your forward and back lookup group. So instead of this, though, actually I don't even think you can do that, but let's just get this right here first. Oh my gosh, can you please select what I want you to select? As time gets on this, I'm going to get more angry, I think. Yep, good. That's exactly what I want. But this right here should instead be... Okay. All right, this is what I'm looking for. I'm learning regex at the same time. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, and then we're going to go here as well. And then this should be the end. And yeah, it's matching it. It doesn't like this though. Let's come over, get that. And now in our entire request, okay, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling better. Feeling bullish. All right, this value here, configure item. From response 10, see I can't even talk anymore. Do that, refresh the response. Come on. Well, it's still going to be an invalid gift card though. So maybe that's okay. I'm going to leave case sensitive on. I'm going to hit OK. Hit OK again. We're going to try this again. Man, this is not the easiest thing to test. Let's just go through it. We're still getting a 400 here. It's still sending that same thing. All right, we're going to have to come. I may have lost it too. prefer to write the scripts. I don't even know if this thing's still, yeah, it should still be going because the macros are running there. I think I lost a gift card too, but that's fine. I don't understand why that didn't work. That should have been perfect. Unless it's just a case sensitive thing. It's the only thing I can think. List. God, it's so hard when you can't see what's. I guess I can do logger plus plus to try to see what's happening on the back there. No, it's not URL encoded. Let's just test this. Try one more time here. And if 14 is a 200, still not pulling it. Why is that not pulling it out? Let's go put this in at least. Yeah. Calm down. It's just so hard to test. So configure this again. Oh, maybe this is a problem. No, because I'm not seeing it grab it. It's not the CSRF. I'm not seeing it take that value. Don't see any reason why this wouldn't be grabbing it. I mean, I guess I'll try that. All right, so let's hit OK for this right now. Let's also come back over here, and this should have the CSRF token that we need. That's the same thing, right? Yeah, that's hard-coded. That's hard-coded. I don't need to deal with that. It's just not grabbing it. And it's still getting a 400. Oh, there's something I'm not doing right here with Burp. I don't know. That's super frustrating. Come get this gift card again here. Just keeps getting it there. Oh man. Well, we've solved the lab. The question is, how do you automate it through Burp? So I'm going to need to do a little research and testing and find out why this is not grabbing it. But 100%, this is going to have to go into my methodology before I go and take the test. So good that I found something I need to work on. Frustrating that it is not working the way I think it should work, which is no fault of anybody at Portswigger, but is nonetheless frustrating to me. So, All right, y'all. I know I still got a couple viewers on here. Hopefully people also watch it afterwards. I'm going to call it a night. If you are still here, I don't know if I'm in the background or something, but I appreciate it. I'll be back on Tuesday. I'll probably do a couple ad hoc streams over the weekend too, especially in the morning. I like to kind of drink some coffee and just a bit. But yeah, other than that, if you're still here, I appreciate it. If you're watching this recording, I appreciate it. I guess a couple shameless plugs at the end. I got a YouTube getting put up there. I'm going to keep churning them out. I've got one on client-side prototype pollution. I've got a ton of stuff on my GitHub that I've built to do bug bounties, bug bounty hunting on Tuesdays, and these Burp labs on Thursday as I'm moving towards the Burp cert. I've got custom nuclei templates. I've got ones I'm really proud of for the client-side prototype pollution that I just put up to go along with my YouTube video that you can grab. Again, you can use my framework, I've got my notes, everything bug bounty related I've got available for free. Always happy to answer any questions or anything. Oh no, oh cool, you're still here. No, thank you very much, man. Like I said, I appreciate you coming. No, you're great. It makes me very happy, especially just kind of starting this channel or stream out to just have people kind of wander in. Obviously the people that know me are coming in and out, but I really appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, feel free to grab some stuff off my LinkedIn as well. I've got tons of notes on there. If you ever have any questions or anything, let me know. But yeah, everybody that came, thank you so much. Have a great night, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.